Hey everybody, I'm Ebony. This is Ebony's Creativity. Thank you so much for joining me here on the channel. Today I am coming to you like never before, which is extra ashy and extra crusty, because I woke up planning to do a master bedroom tour. My room tours seem to do pretty well, so I was like, okay, good. I'm gonna get up and do a master bedroom tour. But I think somebody broke in here in the middle of the night and messed up my room because it is looking a complete fool. So I can't do a bedroom tour like this by any means. I just hopped out the bed, as you can see, looking around like, okay, I can straighten up a little bit. But this room needs a full cleaner. So my last clean with me did pretty well too. So I just decided to go ahead and kind of combine the two videos, do a clean with me, and then give you the tour of the master bedroom. So if you like that kind of video, please keep on watching, but do not judge me because I'm about to give you what it's looking like now. I am not a slob. I don't live like one, but me picking out outfits to wear for work during the week is just, it's not easy. And you're going to see what it looks like in here after a week. This is just being honest. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the before, and then I'm going to get started cleaning. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. All right, so here is one side of my room. My room is made up of what used to be two separate rooms, and there's a wall bust down in between them, and now it's one big room. So here is one side of the room. So like I told you in a previous video, my room does not have that many electrical outlets. Really, there's only this one on this whole side of my room. So I am not able to avoid having cords visible, but I will be working on a way to make it look a little bit better, but not in this video, not right now. I probably will be doing an updated master bedroom tour sometime within the next few months. I'm thinking about painting the furniture that's in here currently, but I'm having a hard time committing to the idea. So one day, normally how my projects come about, I just do it one day, and it's kind of just a spur of the moment thing. But if I do, then I'll come back with the updated master bedroom tour. But for right now, don't judge me. This is how it's looking currently. So yeah, I have the cords over here, in this little area. Then I have my TV up here, some junk that I probably need to move under the TV. This nightstand is looking a fool. Don't judge me, like I said. Don't come for me. But this is how it's looking right now. Bed not made because I did just get up, like I said. I have recently bought some new pillows, which are over there. So I didn't get a chance to change them, but those are the pillowcases right there. I just put one to sleep with last night because I was tired. So this part is looking a fool as well. This part is looking an extra big donkey. I mean, look at this. Like, it seems like the more chairs that we have in our room, the more clothes that end up in it. I don't get it. But anyway, over here is my junky dresser. I'm telling you, finding clothes to wear to work is a struggle. I go through this dresser like the freaking Tasmanian devil. So that stuff is up there. That's my next unit. That's what that's sitting out. My laundry basket, I don't even know why that's right there. That's one of the old pillows that I'm replacing that's in it. I don't know. I can't even explain it. Sometimes when I want to wear accessories to work, I put all the stuff that I would want to quickly access right here. I have another location where I have my good jewelry, but some of this stuff spills out because I have to take it out to dig to the bottom of that little bowl. So that's why some of that is not in there. Some of the purses have spilled out or toppled over. They used to be kind of like stacked up nicely, but yeah, that area looks messy. This is the rejects from the work week. And this is the laundry that I just got from downstairs in the laundry room. And the throw that's supposed to be on my bed, these are pajamas that I wore last night that were on the bed but fell and got caught right there. Some extra house shoes, the ones I'm currently using. Here is the trash bag from that trash can. I did get the trash out, but I just didn't take it downstairs yet. I have this mirror here, and this is what I was talking about, where I say it used to be 2 bedrooms. You can see it clearly like this. So this wall was just all the way across, but I'm glad that I have a pretty nice sized bedroom. But the only thing I don't like about this room is that it's more long than it is wide. So it's kind of hard to decorate. I'm not in love with the setup, but I'm working on it. So let me give you just another pan of what's looking like right now. This is what I mean. Like, if the room were more wide, I could have like a nightstand over here, then my bed, then another nightstand, but 2 nightstands won't fit on the side. And of course, I don't want to have to slide the bed over in front of the window. So, I mean, I'm blessed, so I won't complain about it. Just a few tweaks that I wish I could make, but it is what it is right now. It's just junky, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. My official cleaning music is all made by Meg Thee Stallion, so shout out to her. I love to clean to her music. It helps get me motivated. Her and Lil Bootsy, don't judge me. That's motivating music to me. So when I was growing up, we used to listen to oldies to clean. Now I'm controlling the music, and it's Meg Thee Stallion and Lil Bootsy and Some Da Baby. So that's what I'll be playing. So I'm going to put on some music that you all can listen to and start cleaning. Just one more pan of everything. That's a shame. I made those chairs so beautiful, and then I fill it up with clothes. You can't even see the dang chair. But here we are. And I hope I'm not making you dizzy, and I hope this is not too shaky. I hate when I have to hold the camera, but I don't know another way to show you. So, all right. I can't even stand looking at all this clutter, so I'm going to start on this side. So stay tuned to watch me clean.